Hi, my name is Yu Chaoxue. Today I'm going to talk about my physics-driven spaceship shooting game with a flexible effect system integrate. When you press W, the spaceship will going forward. When you press E and Q, it controls the spaceship heading up or heading down. And D is turning right, A is turning left, and the mouse is shooting. And when it hits enemy, you can see an impressive animation, explosion animation of the enemy. Now I'm going to talk about my special feature. First, from the view of graphics, I have built a flexible effect management system and then extend several effects, shader effects. The most impressive shader was the terrain shader, which I have used very popular normal mapping. I calculate all the normal and tangent information, use mathematical formula, and then I put the normal mapping shader with detailed texture, so the terrain looks quite good. Another special effect was the enemy explosion effect. I have prepared an splitted triangle mesh enemy from the original directx mesh, and the splitted triangle will go outside along the direction of the normal when the bullet hits them, as this. Another special feature was physics. I'm using Agile Physics engine for my demo, and all the stuff I have created was first created in the physics world, and then I get the orientation and the position from the physics world and rendered them in the real world. First, the terrain. I locked the vertex and the index buffer and copied the data into the and other parameters into Agile mesh description. Then the Agile cooking them into a triangle mesh. By this way, I implement very precise collision detection with my terrain, and I will show you later. Because I opened the video recorder to record the screenshot, so it looks a bit slow, but actually it's quite fast when you run it, and you can see all the bomb and my spaceship and can perfectly collide with my terrain. Yeah. And the second physics feature was my flight simulation. I added 5 forces on my spaceship. They are thrust, backflip, left wing, right wing's force, and the gravity on my spaceship. As you can see, when I haven't pressed any key, the spaceship is dropping down because of the gravity. And when I press W and E, W controls the thrust force, which push the spaceship forward, and E controls the backflip force, which push my spaceship head up. As you can see, the spaceship now is heading up. I also added Agile linear damping and angular damping, these two forces, and these two forces perfectly simulate the realistic air resistance, so which makes you feel that it was a very realistic flighting simulation. And as you can see, I have made a third-person camera following my spaceship, and I got the orientation and the transformation quantium from the physics world and using them to adjust the camera in the real world. To play this game, it's better to keep W key pressed, so to ensure there's a forward force to apply to the spaceship to push the spaceship forward, and A and D to control left and right, smallly adjust the Q and E for up and down. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.